Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add overlay in VN. So here I've already on the VN apps and I've already imported the main video, and to add an overlay you just need to click on this plus icon at the top to add the new video, and click on the video or photo, and here choose the overlay that you want to add. Okay, so I'm going to just fit the size until it cover all of the clips. Okay, now it already covered, and to make it blend with the main video you can just find the blend option. Okay, blending, and here adjust the opacity on or choose the blending mode that you want. So I'm going to go with multiply, but I'm going to lower the opacity into around 50%. Click on the check icon, and now the video will go like this with the overlay. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and click on the thanks button. Bye.